Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi guys, ayong gabi. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pabon 5. Pabon Cafe number 5. Nakapunta na tayo dito dati. Kasama natin si Busing and siya. So andito tayo ngayon guys kasi birthday ni Ate Mary. So ayan guys, dito tayo. Maraming mga isda. Hanapin natin sila Mated. Hindi pa sila makita. Wala pa yata sila. Mayroon pa tayong 5 minutes. Ayan na sila. Ayan na sila mga fish da. Mga fish. Ang ganda dito guys. Sobrang laki ng lugar na itong Pabon 5. So anyway, yun nga guys, birthday ni Ate Mary. Kaya managil tayo. Anyway, update pala sa aking dresses guys. Ay, ayan na siya. Nagpapalit tayo today ng color. I mean, nagpa-adjust. Kaya iba yung kulay. Kahapon blue yun siya. Ngayon ay purple na siya. Come on. Go run. I don't know. We look for them.
Ipapatay na lang. Para hindi lalamig. Dahan-dahan may ano ata. Yung isda.
Oh, the armor fur. The fish food.
Say hi to my vlog. Ha? Okay lang naman to, di ba? Vlog te. Oh my God. Lami yan siya ba?
That's your cake?
Yeah.
Surprising kayo mo.
Hmm. Where is the music?
Where's the music? Looking you. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Ate Mary.
Thank you. Alles Gute. Zum Geburtstag.
Ay, murag, ay, murag wa siya lami day.
Kafe?
Right.
Murag,
Yeah.